Okay, guys, I am back with my third book, which I was supposed to put out so long ago, but you know, whatever. Okay, third book is called Mighty Be Our Prayers: How Sisterhood, Prayer, and Sex Changed a Nation at War. Like, wow, like all in the title. This book is by Leymah, Gbowee, and my apologies if I am screwing her name up because she is amazing, amongst others, but Leymah Gbowee, and it's written with Mithers. So this book is, I mean, literally all in the title, how women get together when Liberia is going down, and they decide that they're not going to let it, that they are going to fight. Something I saw was, I'm going to screw it up, but when when the underdog decides to fight, there's no coming back, or something like that. But basically, these people are being slaughtered, and there's just no way to stop it. And Leymah and a group of other women get together and just decide that they're going to protest and just fight against the war in the best way they could. So she organized and, you know, got all these women together. She started the Liberian Mass Action for Peace, and you know, decided that with all of these women that they were just going to do it. They were going to change their world. And you know, just from the synopsis I read, they did. It sounds amazing. This is the first nonfiction book I am going to read in quite some time, so hopefully it does not disappoint. I'm excited about it. You know, what more can you get in a book? Love, sex, war, politics, and a bunch of women kicking ass. Mighty Be Our Powers: How Sisterhood, Prayer, and Sex Changed a Nation at War. So let's get it. Let's see what this book has to offer. Let me know if you've read it, if you haven't, if you're interested. But yeah, I'm going to try to read this one in legitimately 1 week. But if not, I'll be back when I'm done. So until then, peace.